Hello, I am Pratiksha Nikharge, pursuing M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics from Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune. I am going to give a presentation on the demonstration of colloidal mill from company Rage, model name PM100CM. Then introduction about this ball mill. Planetary ball mills are used wherever the highest degree of fineness is required. In addition to well-proven mixing and size reduction processes, these mills also meet all the technical requirements for colloidal grinding and provide the energy input necessary for mechanical alloying. When speaking about product advantages, there are various advantages about this product, that is colloidal ball mill from company Rage. First is powerful and quick grinding down to nano range, reproducible results due to energy and speed control, suitable for long-term trials, two different grinding modes, dry and wet, wide range of materials for contamination-free grinding, safety slider for safe operation, power failure backup ensures storage of remaining grinding time. Then this is an image for colloidal ball mill, model name PM100CM, planetary ball mill. Then speaking about this particular instrument, this is a compact benchtop with a single grinding station, planetary ball mill. Being a versatile instrument, this instrument can be found in the various areas of scientific research, both in industry and in academia. Then working principle, the main use, that is size reduction, is based on the working principle of friction and impact. The frictional and impactional forces results in high centrifugal forces, and due to this the extremely high centrifugal forces result in high pulverization energy, which causes rapid particle size reduction, that it shorts the grinding times. Then application example, as I said earlier, that size reduction is the main use of this instrument. Other uses or other applications are like pulverizing, homogenizing, milling, and mixing. And it is also useful in the preparation of geological samples, preparation of environmental samples, preparation of ceramics and glasses, and the new material researches. There is a wide range of accompanying accessories that are supplied with it, which include grinding jars and their accompanying grinding balls or grinding beads in different sizes and materials. And it is also supplied with the safety closure devices for working over pressure. This safety closure devices is another level of security by working with poisonous or hazardous materials. From this image, we can see the different sizes of grinding jars and different sizes of grinding beads or grinding balls. For size reduction processes, we put the material in these grinding jars with these grinding balls. Next, my friend Ekansh Varsne will give the demonstration about this instrument, that is planetary ball mill, model name PM100CM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ekansh Varsne, M.Pharm Research Scholar from Pune College of Pharmacy, Department of Pharmaceutics. Today I am going to give you the demonstration of planetary ball mill. As discussed in our earlier presentation, this is a benchtop compact model of planetary ball mill with a single grinding station. This is a versatile instrument which is found in various areas of scientific research. The main application of the grinding mill is size reduction with the help of impaction and friction principle. Thus, this instrument is used in various fields such as pharmaceuticals, for soil samples in agriculture, in food industry, etc. This instrument comes with various accessories such as jars of different size, along with its beads of different size and of different materials such as steel and ceramic. So, with the instrument, here at the base we can see the sun wheel, and here this is the grinding station on which jar is attached with the clamp. This is the safety station or the safety device which is used to avoid any accident that may occur due to the high rotation speed of the mill. Here in the instrument, this is the weight higher than the weight of the jar to maintain the balance of the rotation of the ball mill. We can also set the parameter freely, such as time, speed, interval, the speed of the rotation maximum 650 rpm down to the minimum 100 rpm. If required, we can also set the interval based on our needs as per this cycle. The direction of the rotation also can be set, which can be either unidirectional or bidirectional mode. In this way, this is quite easy and safe for size reduction of the particles or the drug using the ball mill. Hope this video finds your interest. Thank you.